Bank fees are charges that banks apply for various services related to managing your accounts. Knowing what these fees are and how to avoid them can save you money. Let's explore the common fees banks charge and simple strategies to minimize or eliminate them. Many banks charge fees for services that may seem routine. Monthly maintenance fees are charged just for keeping your account open. Overdraft fees occur when you spend more money than you have in your account. ATM withdrawal fees happen when you use an ATM outside your bank's network. Receiving paper statements can also cost extra, as can transfer fees for moving money. These fees vary widely, so it is important to understand which apply to your account. Monthly maintenance fees are fixed charges banks apply each month to keep your account active. These fees typically range from $5 to $15. Many banks waive this fee if you maintain a minimum daily balance or meet specific requirements, such as setting up direct deposit. Keeping track of your account status and meeting these conditions can help avoid unnecessary charges. An overdraft fee is charged when you spend more money than you have in your account. These fees can be quite high, often around $30 to $35 per transaction. If you make multiple purchases or payments that exceed your balance, these fees can add up quickly. You can avoid overdraft fees by setting up low balance alerts, linking a savings account as protection, or opting out of overdraft services altogether. ATM withdrawal fees come into play if you use an ATM that is not part of your bank's network. These fees typically range from $2 to $5 per withdrawal, and the ATM owner may charge an additional fee. Paper statement fees are charges for receiving physical bank statements through the mail, which can cost $1 to $3 each month. Opting for electronic statements usually helps to avoid this charge. Banks may charge fees for transferring money, either through wire services or automated clearinghouse transfers. These fees can vary widely, with international transfers often costing more. Hidden charges might include inactivity fees for dormant accounts, fees for extra services like paper requests, or charges for reordering checks. Being aware of these can prevent unexpected expenses. To minimize bank fees, choose accounts that have no or low fees. Maintaining the required minimum balance helps avoid many charges. Setting account alerts enables you to monitor your balances and spending carefully. Use overdraft protection wisely to prevent costly fees. Always use ATMs within your bank's network to avoid extra withdrawal fees. Being proactive about understanding bank fees can help you keep more of your money. Use smart strategies, monitor your accounts regularly, and ask your bank about fee waivers. Taking these steps will protect your finances and reduce unnecessary charges.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.